In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meshnet with NordVPN, providing a full guide that's both easy to follow and only takes a few minutes. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you can utilize Meshnet to its fullest potential, whether for secure communication between devices or simply improving your digital experience. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open the NordVPN app. This can be done on your computer or mobile device, wherever you have NordVPN installed. The app is your main dashboard for accessing all the features NordVPN offers, including Meshnet. Make sure you're signed in to your NordVPN account to proceed smoothly through these steps. Once you're in the NordVPN app, you'll want to navigate to the section called Meshnet. This feature is specifically designed to help you link your devices in a secure and seamless mesh network. Meshnet allows you to connect devices across long distances, practically extending the range of your local network. When you find the section for Meshnet, click on it. This will bring you to the Meshnet interface, where you can see all connected devices and manage them easily. Next, click on Device in Meshnet. Accessing this part of the app allows you to view and configure the specific devices you want to include in your mesh network. By clicking on it, you're taking the necessary steps to ensure your devices are aggregated under a single, secure network for efficient communication and data sharing. Now, the crucial part of the setup process: linking your devices. Go ahead and click on Link Devices. This option facilitates the addition of devices into your mesh network. By doing so, you can seamlessly add other devices, such as laptops, smartphones, or tablets, essentially bringing them under the protective and private umbrella of your mesh network. It's important to note that all linked devices can securely communicate with each other, even if they are on opposite sides of the world. Once you've linked the devices, your setup is complete. Meshnet will ensure all included devices share the same secured connection, providing a private line of communication. The linked devices will now be capable of sharing files, gaming, and even routing traffic through each other as needed, with a robust layer of encryption provided by NordVPN. That wraps up our quick tutorial on setting up Meshnet with NordVPN. With these simple steps, you've enhanced your digital connectivity, broadened the scope of how your devices interact, and significantly boosted your online security. Thank you for following along today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Happy networking and stay secure!